Hello for love, my name's T-Roy.
I'm Jay.
I'm Yannis.
I'm Alan.
And we are
Stndrd. And we're going to perform for you an original piece called My Uso, produced by Mazar Tolefor, aka Saigo Beats. We're all born and raised in Otara. We all grew up singing in church together, and we wrote the song 2 years ago over in Sydney, St. Mary's, and it's a song about the love that we have for our brothers.
That's my Uso, that's my Uso, that's my Uso, I love you. That's my Uso, that's my Uso, that's my Uso, I love you. My Uso, I'd pick on him when I was bored. We'd go back and forth until we hear our names called. Then it's straight to the room, put on some extra layers to protect us from the hiding. Maybe say a little prayer. Used to fuss and fight a lot growing up, but maybe that was just our way of showing love. I'm showing up for my Uso, yeah, that's automatic. 1 minute we're best friends, next thing you know we're back at it. But I wouldn't have it any other way. My Uso's got my back on me through my darkest days. Always by my side, and you know it's all love, cause I got 99 problems, but I also ain't one.
They say, "Homo aso uma uso maso vale." That's how it was growing up in my valley. Always kawai misa when we'd ride in the gutter valley, but he'd always wipe my nose with my super cafe. My biggest enemy, stressing me mentally, eventually became the biggest friend of me. Can't say that it was meant to be like heaven, it is heavenly. Always having my Uso by my side till I die and then it's rest in peace. But until that day, I'm always gonna show love to my Usos from around the way. No LL, but I am Cool J. On my mind like it's on replay. But before we pray, we say,
that's my Uso, that's my Uso, that's my Uso, I love you. That's my Uso, that's my Uso, that's my Uso, I love you. In the start, an only child doing things just me. Till I was 5, New Year came around, Jan 15th, my little Uso was born. But it was so obscene, the whole idea of life was flipped like a true calm dream. Do dumb things, I remember the fights like it was yesterday. Me and you, PS2 arguing who was next to play. Always thought I'd never be caught dead to say that you're the man, and I'd hope to be able to be like you one day, my Uso. My parents told me always carry that where you go. And anytime you or my sister ever feel low, baby steps one at a time, heel toe. No matter how many times you fall, just know you still grow. And I'ma always be here to hear you vent, like open ears right by your side, like change unspent. Probably wasn't there enough when you needed a figure the most. We went from boys to men, I got you to the end of the road. Just know I'm here 24/7 even when I ain't close. I got you's more than you ever know, more than I ever show. Hey, said even when I ain't close, I love you's more than you ever know, more than I ever show. That's my Uso, that's my Uso, that's my Uso, I love you. That's my Uso, that's my Uso, that's my Uso, I love you. When the skies don't look clear, I'll always be right here. You're my brother.